Hi, this is Sagadeep Kautillo. Once again, I am back with the results now. And first of all, I would like to congratulate Pragna for making me such a beautiful, part of this event. Though it was online, but still I enjoyed all the performance. They all did very, very well, really. My special thanks to Linus Club, Gandhinagar, and a very big hug to Mrs. Urvashi Patel जी, बिकॉज़ जब ऐसे आप जैसे लोग जब हमें मिलते हैं, आगे आते हैं, तो वी रियली फील वेरी प्राउड, वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू बी कनेक्टेड विद यू. बिकॉज जब भी हम बात कर रहे थे प्रज्ञा एंड मी, वी वर टॉकिंग लाइक कि भी कैसे कैसे होगा, बिकॉज इट्स एन ऑनलाइन शो और बहुत अच्छे से होना चाहिए. सो इट वॉज़ वेरी नाइस टू सी योर सपोर्ट फॉर स्पेशल एबल पीपल. सो मच थैंक यू so much for the beautiful trophies you have given, and a very big congratulations to all the participants, because everybody did so well. I enjoyed all the performance really so well. I'll start with the modeling performance first of all. मैं नाम लेती जाऊंगी. The best selected performers, the first one in modeling category. I'll start with the names now. First is Amulya, Behag, Ishwardeep Singh Behra, Sahil, Piyush Sheetal. You all did a great job and I enjoyed seeing you. बड़े स्टाइल से आप रैम वॉक करते उतर रहे थे, यूं ही लग रहा था जैसे स्टेज पे ही हो आप. सो आई रियली enjoyed it thoroughly. Saw all the videos and congratulations to all of you. You really did very, very well. So now I'll start with the second category, and that is acting category. So the best performer in acting is Dhyan Patel from Ahmedabad. Congratulations, Dhyan. You have really done very well, and I like your Akshay style very much. Congratulations once again. Now I'll go with the singing category, and the best performer from Ahmedabad in dual voices was Vihag. I really loved your voices. I mean, दोनों ही आवाज़ें इतनी मज़ेदार हैं आपकी कि अगर मैं आंख बंद करके सुनती तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि वेदर बॉय इज़ सिंगिंग और अ गर्ल इज़ सिंगिंग. आपने बहुत ही बढ़िया गाया है. एंड द बेस्ट फीमेल सिंगर्स, वी हैव two people, two special, very sweet girls. One is Hiral Shah. She's very, very sweet. And one is Nabagata. बड़े ही प्यारे स्टाइल्स हैं उनके, एंड आई लव टू watching them while they were singing. Congratulations, Behag, Hiral and Nabagata. You really sung very, very well. Now I'll start with the painting category, and the best male artist from Ahmedabad is Behag. Congratulations. And female artist is Angelina from Ahmedabad. Congratulations both of you. Really बहुत ही प्यारे sketches आप लोगों ने बनाए हैं. Now I'll start with the dance category, and we have 4 best performers in dance category: Tapojit, Amulya, Piyush and Sahil. Congratulations again, and a very big hug to all of you. You really did very, very well. Hope to see you guys very soon. And yes, a special thanks to all the proud moms who have special children and still they participated in this show. Thank you so much, because बच्चों को अपग्रेड करना, सिखाना, आगे बढ़ाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, बट उसके साथ साथ we have to upgrade ourselves. We have to work really hard on ourselves so that our children can learn more and they can really follow us more, right? So it was very proud moments to see all the beautiful moms while performing, and hope to see you all very very soon. Once again, a very big thanks to Pragna. My special thanks to Mrs. Urvashi Patel ji, and a very big hug and lots of love and kisses to all my special able people who really performed very well. I love to see you forward and hope to see you very very soon. पूजन डांस एकेडमी की तरफ से आप सबको invitation दिया जाएगा, and yes, you will get a chance to perform on the stage also. So see you guys very very soon. Bye bye. Lots of love.